Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one notification while I try to access the Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows hello BGMI fan. BGMI servers will be unavailable for a while to come up with a better and bigger experience. While we are working to give you a seamless experience, your account will be safe and your progress till now will be retained. We will keep you informed of further developments and the release date through our social media platforms. So I try to close this message. But now this time it shows one more error notification. Server is not online yet. Please check the official news for further information regarding availability. Thank you for your understanding. So I try to close this message. So next I try to log in this Battlegrounds Mobile India by using with the Facebook login credentials. But my bad luck, again it shows that same error message. So what is the problem and how to overcome this issue? So my suggestion is this is not a error message, which means that this is occurs due to server upgrading process. So now I try to access this Battlegrounds Mobile India official Twitter page. So here you can see they posted an official announcement. Good news for the BGMI fans. As we committed, we are back. And this post briefly explained the update news. So you can read one by one. And the main important point is we would like to express our deep appreciation to the Indian authorities for permitting us to restart the operations of Battlegrounds Mobile India, Crafton Inc. So they are come to India and they decide to enhance their server quality. So due to this reason, it shows that kind of error message. But some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just try to install the any VPN app and then try to connect that VPN app. So once the connection is made successfully, your Battlegrounds Mobile India is ready to play. So don't try this kind of things and this is waste of time. So you can wait for the official update from this Battlegrounds Mobile India team. So I hope all of them waiting for this next update. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Theta Box, and thanks for watching.